Now let's say the contact us form also needs a profile picture of who is about to query in through that form. So we'll have a cell asking for profile pic and another for the input tag. All I have to do is say input type is equal to file and give some ID. So here it is. So you could select your profile pic. Now you could also add another attribute called multiple. Now what multiple does is it will help you select multiple files. Earlier, without the multiple tag, multiple attribute, it will just allow you to select a single file. So that's the difference.